in your eyes, on your cameras, on your screens. A hand again, please. Congratulations. Millennium Chef Smith. Ghana's numero uno.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cook-A-Thon Entertainment Zone. This is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. I know how we do it on Cook-A-Thon Entertainment Zone. The longest cooking marathon. Michema will be waiting on Jana and Nas one word and every animal kunti abete, kusi, massa, and cotton quine. A lot of foods, Jana and Naso, in so many days was held by a Ireland man, my friend Alan Fisher, which we know for 119 hours, 52 minutes. On the Guinness Book of Records for the longest cooking marathon by an individual. Then in your brand TBA with Miss Jana Naso and Wedriane, I have friend Millennium Smith. But him breaking the record with 802 hours, 25 minutes. This is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. Don't forget to leave your comments, join this amazing family by subscribing, share this video. That is also important to us. Let's get into the news. Okay, see way news Guinness Book of Records for etimi posty or more platform no so. Or say after reviewing all the footage, we are delighted to announce that Ebenezer Smith is the new record holder for the longest cooking marathon by an individual. Watch the video to find out the official time we have awarded and full explanation below. And Guinness Book of Records etimi ebe trot on platform no so. When we say we set this recorder. You know, there are a lot of prominent deals, and you know, yes, we see Dr. Ewan, so it's in the congratulate, I kind of say, Millennium Chef Smith. Or say, I have seen some people linking me to these certificates. I want to make it clear, I don't know anything about this one. Congratulations to Chef Smith. A lot of people at me have congratulating, the likes of Kwame Plus. There are so many people who try this cooking marathon. So many Nigerians, so many Ghanaians. Famous ones are Ghana hire Chef Filer Tamale also to me started this one, but she was denied by Guinness Book of Records. But Millennium Chef Smith has done it.
In your eyes, on your cameras, on your screens. A hand again, please. Congratulations. Millennium Chef Smith. Ghana's numero uno.
I think this Book of Records now it's not about showing off or making it popular. Just say why accurate, because we all see what Asantwa did. Very famous one, but she was also denied. We also seen Chef Filer also there. And so it was denied. UTV for so it me posted Chef Smith. I say Chef Smith breaks new record for the longest cooking marathon. A lot of congratulations messages. It's me commando, and you know that is very amazing for a Ghanaian to set this record. You know, it put Ghana's name into another level. You know, previously now a Nigerian chef I friend Heather Bassi and Alan Fisher, and so it's in between. Now it holds a Ghanaian. What I say in today's is a very good message, and it's trending on the web space. You feel me? So this is what Chef Smith it's me on for almost 1 month 5 days. That is insane. The guy is a beast. Unwedwane bosome ba kunta bete kusi massa to safi tubani massa different foods. And I with me know I in the cooking marathon and now he holds the record, and as it stands now he is a Ghanaian. Congratulations to him. This is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in our next episode of videos.